Welcome once again. Today, my focus in the daily message is on the responsorial psalm for today's liturgy. It begins with the refrain, "You are a priest forever," in the line of Melchizedek. We're more familiar with the phrasing of this sentence that says, "You are a priest forever according to the order of Melchizedek." We are blessed to be able to have great priests like Father Bill with us, priests who have been ordained, who have received the sacrament of orders. But Father Bill is not the only priest among us. We are reminded that every one of us, every member of the church, belongs to the priesthood. Let me give you a very brief quote from the Second Vatican document called Lumen Gentium, the document on the church. This is what it says. Though they differ from one another in essence and not only in degree, the common priesthood of the faithful and the ministerial priesthood are nonetheless interrelated. Each of them, in its own special way, is a participation in the one priesthood of Christ. What this is clearly saying is that each one of us, each member of the church, each Christian belongs to the priesthood. And what does that mean? We, in our own way, not the way that Father Bill does it, but in our own way, is a priest in that we are called upon to bring people to God and to bring God to people. In the secular world, our mission is exactly that, to be the mediators of God's presence in the world, to show the world that God exists and that God is with us and that God is faithful to us, and to show God that that we are with Him, that we strive to an ever greater union with God through an ever greater union with God's people. Thank you for watching again today.